Hi everyone, Namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is of course a Diwali makeup tutorial where I'm going to be creating two looks for you all. This is the day look and I'm going to be amping things up and creating a night look. But what's really exciting is the fact that I'm collaborating with Myntra and M.A.C for this video. And M.A.C, as you all know, is available now on Myntra and I ended up shopping a hell lot. So I've obviously overindulged and bought myself a lot of makeup from M.A.C, and specifically there are two Diwali kits which are these, and I'm super excited to show you what exactly these two kits contain. So if you guys are interested in knowing how I created this makeup look and how I'm going to turn it into a glam night Diwali party look, then continue watching. So guys, the first step in any makeup process is to prep your skin, and I'm using the M.A.C Prep and Prime Fixing, Setting, Mattifying Spray. This is very good for oily, acne-prone skin like me, and I have been breaking out, so I definitely want to use this product before applying any makeup onto my skin. I nicely blend it in to my face with the beauty blender. You can take any damp beauty blender that you want and just lightly dab it all across your skin before applying your concealer. Now ladies, we cannot live without our concealer because all those imperfections, the pimples, everything needs to be hidden away, and the M.A.C Studio Finish Concealer is amazing. I use the shade NC35 and I love it. Next up, I go in with my M.A.C Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. This is the shade NC30 that I'm going to be applying on my skin. I absolutely love this foundation because it is matte and I have very oily skin which is also breaking out, so I need something that completely mattifies and covers all my acne, and this one really works wonders for my skin. I then go ahead and set all of this into my skin using the M.A.C Studio Fix Powder Foundation. This is actually like a compact and also a foundation, so I use a very light coat to just set the concealer and foundation. Coming to the most exciting part of this tutorial is the Diwali kit by M.A.C, which has these 4 amazing items in it, which I'm going to show you one by one, starting with the Fashion Fanatic palette. This is the M.A.C Maxine eyeshadow palette, and I'm going in with the shade Mad Mod and lightly covering my entire crease with it. And after that, I am going to go in with the shade Outfitted, which is this really pretty nice silvery tone, and I'm gonna just cover the inner corners of my eye with that shade. And then going in with Fashion Fanatic shade, which is this nice pinky tone, and just covering the entire lid with it to give it this nice flush of color. I then go in with Wildcard on my bottom lash line just to add that definition. Next, it's time for eyeliner, and I'm a fan of black matte eyeliners, and the M.A.C Wet Road Liquid Lash Liner is the perfect one when it comes to that. So what I'm doing for the day look is I'm drawing a very nice thin layer of eyeliner and ever so slightly winging it out. I'm going to build up onto that for the night look, but for the day just giving a very nice light coating of eyeliner. Next, it's time for the lashes. So I go in with my M.A.C Extreme Dimension Lash Black Mascara. This is probably one of the best mascaras that M.A.C has to offer. Absolutely love how the wand opens up my eyes so much. You can see the difference, like my eyes are popping. I then go in with my M.A.C Fluor Power Powder Blush. This is like the perfect corally pinky shade, and it's absolutely festive, and I love how it gives me a nice flush of pink on my cheeks which can last from day and night. And I had a bit of an oops moment there because I sort of destroyed my eyeliner there, but I didn't have to worry because I had my M.A.C eye makeup remover in the Diwali kit, which is this tiny little bottle that you can carry around, and a tissue paper, and that's all you need to fix your makeup errors. Next up, I go in for lipstick, which is my favorite M.A.C lipstick of all time. That is Meher. This is the perfect nudish pink shade, and I use it with absolutely every look, and for the daytime it's just about perfect. I then go again with my Fashion Fanatic palette, which has also a highlighting shade which is absolutely beautiful. It's called Must Have It, and you must have this in your highlighter palette, and I'm just highlighting the top of my cheekbones and every area that sort of catches light on the face, and that completes the makeup look. I'm going to accessorize myself because it's the festive season with some bindi and some earrings. And before I forget, I also must spray my face with the M.A.C Prep and Prime because this is not just a prepping spray, it's also a mattifying spray that sets all the makeup into your skin nicely and helps it last all day long. So yeah, coming back to my earrings, I obviously have to accessorize because that is gonna complete the look. And yes, that's it. This is the day look, guys, and I'm absolutely loving how my makeup is glowy. It's nude, it's light, has these shades of pink in it. And now it's time to switch to the night look. And guys, it's very common for me to sort of switch between Diwali parties, you know, from day to night, and I don't have time to like do too much with my makeup. So all I'm doing is adding a little bit of more wild card to the edges or to corners of my eyes, because that's going to increase the smoked out effect. And then it was time for me to unbox the M.A.C Diwali lip kit, which contains these 5 beautiful M.A.C little lipsticks. So I quickly wanted to swatch all these shades and show you how pretty these M.A.C little lipsticks were. The first one is Diva, which is the one I'm going to be wearing. After that, the second one is this beautiful nude color called Velvet Teddy, followed by Meher, which is the one I wore initially. After this, there's Matte Chili, which is this beautiful coral shade. And the last one is, of course, M.A.C's cult favorite red, Ruby Woo. I'm using the shade Diva, which is this absolutely gorgeous red shade. This is perfect for any complexion, especially for Indian skin tones. And you know, festivals means a lot of moving around, and I love how I can carry these tiny little lipsticks with me anywhere I go and just reapply whenever I need to throughout the night. And that finishes my night look, and I'm absolutely in love with how it's turned out to be. This is the final night look. I'm absolutely loving the dark lip and the eyes, and they've been obviously created using the 2 M.A.C Diwali kits, which you guys can shop for. I'll leave the link down below. I had an amazing time using these kits and playing around, which is what I absolutely love. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed and are able to recreate these looks using M.A.C. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Hit the bell icon to stay notified with all my latest videos, and give this video a thumbs up, comment down below and tell me what you think. And happy Diwali. May this festival bring lots of love and lots of light into your lives. Thank you. Bye.